Let's continue with question number 3. Second question we'll be doing later on. To conduct sports day activities in your rectangular shaped ground ABCD, lines have been drawn with chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots each have been placed at a distance of 1 meter each along AD as shown in this figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD and Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preeti runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between the two flags? If the Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the two line segments joining the two flags, where should she post her flag? क्या है? It is a rectangular garden. This distance is 10 units and this distance is taken 100 units. First girl, Niharika, she runs a distance of 1/4. 1/4 of what? 1/4 of this 100. She runs a distance of 1/4 of 100 means 25 meters. What is x coordinate? 2, and what is y coordinate? It becomes 25 as it is 1/4 of 100. Then second girl runs, Preet runs along x-axis. Her coordinate is 8 and she runs a distance of 1/5. 1/5 of AD means 80 is 100. 1/5 of 100 कितना हो गया? 1/5 of 100 is 20 units. We are to find the distance between these two flats. What are its coordinates? So the coordinates of first point are 2, 25 and coordinates of second point are 8, 20. First we'll find out the distance between these 2 points, and there is third girl Preet who runs a distance of 1/5. There is third girl Rashmi who runs a distance. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segments, इन दोनों के मिडिल में करना है हाफ पे, तो इसका मतलब x कोऑर्डिनेट का हाफ कितना हो गया? टोटल कितना है? 10 है, तो कितना हो गया? 5. उसका x कोऑर्डिनेट कितना है? 5 है. एंड वी आर टू टेल व्हाट इज़ द पॉइंट वेयर शी विल फ्लैग द पोस्ट द फ्लैग. इन दोनों के मिडिल में 5 यूनिट से यहाँ से सी. So let the coordinates of Niharika are, Niharika is at the point 2, 25. I have just explained you how it is 2, 25. X coordinate in the given figure we are given 2 and y coordinate is as it is 1/4 of 100, so it is 25. And Preet, she x coordinate in the given figure it is given 8. See, x coordinate in the figure it is given 8 and she runs a distance of 1/5. 1/5 of 100, so it is 20. We are to find the distance between Niharika and Preet. So using distance formula, x2 minus x1 its whole square plus y2 minus y1 its whole square, 6 square plus minus 5 square, 36 plus 25 is equal to √61 meter. Now Rashmi, third girl Rashmi, she has to post blue flag in the middle. In the middle means we suppose that let the coordinates of the r is x, r stands for Rashmi, be the position where Rashmi posts her flag. Now as it is in the middle of this Niharika and Preet, so we'll make use of midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. So it is, what is y1? 25. What is y2? It is 20. 25 plus 20 by 2, so it is 40 by 2. Otherwise भी जो x coordinate था 5 आ रहा था और फॉर्मूले से भी क्या आया? 5. So the coordinates of the point are where Rashmi will flag the post the flag is 5, 45. So Rashmi will post her flag in 5th line at a distance of 45 by 2 meters. Rashmi will post her flag in the 5th line at a distance of 45 by 2 meters. Now question number 4 is find the ratio Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8. So the points are -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. So in this question we are to find the ratio. Whenever we are to find the ratio, we does not suppose that let the ratio is m1 is to m2. We suppose that let the ratio is k/1. k/1 सपोज करने का क्या फ़ायदा होता है, अगर m1 रेशो m2 लेते हैं तो हमें m1 और m2 दोनों की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती है. एंड व्हेन वी सपोज k/1 तो हमें सिर्फ एक k की वैल्यू निकालनी पड़ती है और उससे रेशो आ जाता है. सो वेन एवर वी आर टू फाइंड द रेशो वी ऑलवेज सपोज दैट द गिवन पॉइंट इज डिवाइडिंग द गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट इन द रेशो ऑफ k/1. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. So we are given the point A -3, 10, the point B is -1, 6 and C 6, -5 be the 3 points. The middle point, the point B is dividing the line segment AC in the ratio of k/1. See, it is the line segment we are given is A -3, 10, C we are given is 6, -8 and this point B -1, 6 is dividing it in the ratio of k/1. We suppose that the point B, whose coordinates we are given in the statement -1, 6, is dividing the given line segment AC with coordinates -3, 10 and 6, -8 in the ratio of k/1. So using section formula we have x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. What is the value of m1? It is k. So it is k multiplied by x2, k multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by -3. And what is x coordinate of this point given? It is given -1 divided by k plus 1. So cross multiplying we get 6k minus 3 is equal to -k minus 1. 6k plus k is equal to -1 plus 3. 7k is equal to 2. So k is equal to 2 by 7 or the required ratio is k/7. 2 by 7 ratio 1 or we can say it is 2/7. अगर हम इसमें m1 is to m2 सपोज करते सॉल्व तब भी हो जाता, बट यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ एक ही x को सॉल्व करते ही k की वैल्यू आ गई. उसमें आपको m1 और m2 दोनों को सॉल्व करना पड़ता और उससे आपके पास m1 की वैल्यू 2 आ जाती और m2 की वैल्यू क्या आ जाती 7. उससे थोड़ी कैलकुलेशंस क्या हो जाती हैं, द कैलकुलेशंस बिकम्स लेंथी. सो विल कंटिन्यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो.